today we're going to talk about light, something we often take for granted but plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Light is a form of energy that allows us to see everything around us. This simple concept is behind countless natural and technological phenomena, from the colors we see in a rainbow to the screens we use every day. Let's explore the fascinating world of light together. Through this observation, what you noticed. Can you guess? Correct answer is light is passing through the object is called light ray. Guess is correct. Light is bounced back with the same direction we shown to the mirror is called reflection of light, and this is first phase of property of light. Second property of light is absorption. It means the light reflected or passed through any object. Any objects are captured light ray is called absorption. Last one is transmission. Earlier we showed the light rays passing through any object. That process is called transmission of light. Thanks for your still with us and support next video.